First, our tech support team diagnose the problem remotely via email or phone descriptions. If an engineer is required, we schedule a time that works for you. A standard engineer visit on a simple system tackling a simple problem should take around 30 minutes. If more time is needed, we will flag this either at the diagnosis phase or when on site. Charges are made per 15 minutes on site, with the first 30 minutes included in the initial call-out charge. We aim to be as open and transparent as possible, so there are no surprises. Get in touch via email to book your engineer visit. smartsecurity.support, the trusted security support service from AMCO Security.